In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Acuity Scheduling to Square. This integration makes managing appointments and payments seamless for both you and your clients. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Start by opening your web browser and logging into your Acuity Scheduling account. Make sure you're in the correct account if you manage multiple schedules or businesses. Once you're on the dashboard, head to Payment Settings. This is usually found under Account Configurations or Business Settings. In the Payment Settings, you will see a list of available payment processors. Select Square as your preferred option. Acuity will then prompt you to authenticate your Square account. Simply follow the prompts and enter your Square login credentials to complete the connection. Ensure your Square account has the correct business information and payment methods set up to avoid any issues. With Square successfully connected, it's time to configure your payment preferences. You can choose to accept full payments upfront, take deposits, or allow tips depending on your business model and client experience goals. Full payments secure revenue immediately, deposits guarantee a time slot, and tips let clients show appreciation for your service. Once you've made your selections, save your settings to ensure everything syncs correctly. And that's it. Your Acuity Scheduling is now connected to Square, combining appointment management with smooth payment processing. This setup streamlines your workflow, improves client satisfaction, and allows you to focus on delivering great services. Happy scheduling!